Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. These Hotdog rulers, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 23 inches, and the depth of the unit is about like a 19 inches. The overall height of the unit is about like a 21 inches tall. So we can see the units have a design with the curved glass, and the both sides have the glass too. It's very clear and beautiful display inner side. People can see the hot dogs in a different angle. And look in the bottoms, we do having this one standard with a 110 plugs. And we do having the cautious information right here. They give you the units running the 110 powers, and the capacity is about 9.5 liters. And the 60 hertz of the model. So we can turn around to see the behind of the units. So when we look in the behind of the units, we have the scene, they have a trace at the bottoms. You can clean here when they drop the oils or any dirt on it. And also have a drawer at the bottoms. You can put the, maybe the bright, any accessories right here. And look in the bottoms, we can see they do have a 3 individual temperature controls. And also they do having a power switchers to control all the units at the same time. So for this rolling bar, it is about like a 17 inches long. And right here total have 11 bars. And that's what will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.